We all have this belief that if we want the best performance when we are building a PC, we need to use a fresh Windows install. So we don't have any problems with some drivers of anything that we are bringing from an older system. So we are going to be testing that and to see if this is really true. For this test, we are going to be using my build with an Intel i9 12900K that will be cooled with a Kraken C63, a video card that is an RTX 3080 Vision from Gigabyte, a motherboard that is a MSI MPG C690 Carbon. For RAM, we have a kit from Corsair, the Dominator Platinum of 32 gigabytes, DDR5 of 5200 MHz. For power supply, we are using a Corsair RM1000X of 1000 watts. And our storage is an NVMe from Samsung, the 970 Plus of 500 gigabytes. So for this experiment, what we are going to be trying to do as worst case scenario is using the NVMe from an older system that I was running with an AMD processor and a different NVIDIA card. This system was using Windows 10 and was updated to Windows 11 in this AMD system. So we are going to be taking that storage and putting into the new system with the Intel i9 and the new RTX 3080. And we are going to be running benchmarks just like it is without changing anything, without installing new drivers or anything, just maybe giving some time for Windows to install the drivers that is going to detect automatically when it's detecting the new motherboard and the new system and every new device. So we are going to be checking if we really need a fresh Windows install to have the best performance or if this is just a myth. So let's go to the benchmarks. As we could see, the biggest improvement is around 7% for the fresh install in the 7-zip test. But this is the only test that show a big improvement like this. Most of the tests show like 1% difference, so that could be within the margin of error. And seeing this, I think we could say that it's safe to use an old Windows install in your new system. And maybe you could save the time to reinstall Windows and avoid needing to re-download or setting up again all of your games and apps. And yep, I think that's it for this video. And if you like this kind of experiments and if you want to see more comparisons, now that the Ryzen 7000 are just launching, we are going to compare that also to the previous gen and also to the Intel CPUs. So subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss that, and we'll see you in the next video.